Hi guys, this is Roxana here. I'm going to plan on my big happy planner, and this one is the dashboard layout. So if you wanna if you wanna see how it goes, continue watching. Okay, now here we are. We're going to plan the week of Monday 12th to the Sunday the 18th of July, and we're gonna take off the pages and we're going to get ready to plan. And I have these two books that I want to use: the color story, this is the last one, and the pressed florals. But okay, and first I'm going to erase this part because this is my social media, the one I use for social media, and I don't have these things to do, so I will just erase them. And we'll see if I erase this one. I don't think I'll be going to be erasing that one. So from the color story, I already picked out these ones that I liked, and I had an idea. I wanted this one for here. Let your ideas bloom, because since it's my social media, it's where I create all my content. I don't know if you know this, but I love doing reels, and I have a completely separate planner for my reels. That one is just a fun one to look at because it's written all over. It's been used. Okay, I'm going to use this one here. Oh, but first I wanted to do something else. I want this one because since I don't know, I've been kind of, I don't know, things are kind of weird right now with all of the things happening in the planning world, and I just like being positive, so I'm just going to keep them blooming, like this just says, just bloom. So I'll just stick it in here. And then I saw there are some washi strips here that I liked. Let me see where they are. They were here somewhere. Like, really, they were here. See, I told you. Okay, I'm going to use these washi strips. Oh, they're really thin. Let me see. Let me see if it with, like, I'm trying to see with which one this will go. I think I'll take it here on the, I'm gonna use my tweezers. They are, I think, better at this than me. I'm gonna put it here, there. And I thought I wanted to use like the washi strip here and then place this one, the sticker here, but I think it's going to be just a sticker. I wanted to layer them. Ooh, maybe I can use a flower. We'll see if we can find like a small one of the small flowers. And then this one, like, it's for my YouTube, for filming my photos, editing, checking all of my other, like, I have other socials that besides Instagram and YouTube. I have my Pinterest account, and I have my Facebook account. So to remind me myself that I need to check them out. Sometimes I kind of forget they are there, but it's just like remind myself to check them out and see what I should be posting there. Okay, I finished all the stickers I had picked out, and these ones are not working for what I wanted, but maybe I can use these ones. I'm gonna be using I thought you were able to see. I wanted to use I want to use these ones, but maybe we can use them with some flowers like the ones they have. Let me see, like kind of like this ones, but I don't know, like a small ones. Like maybe I can use this one for here, and another one of these ones. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. I'm sorry. I'm kind of funky today. Okay. There are other flowers here. Ooh, like this blue one. For this blue part. And I might have to trim it a little. And maybe we can use this somewhere else. Okay, there. And let's see. Oh, we have these ones. They are really pretty. The ones here. I like this one for here. Maybe kind of like that. Let me see if I can put it under these ones. So they are different from the ones up. And then I need like a violet one for this, not this ones, here. I like this one. And I'm gonna fill this up a little bit and maybe go like to downwards a little bit. There, like that. Yes, it's looking good. I like how it looks. And this, it's, let me see, my hands are too big. Okay, I don't mind it going over the one. I like how it looks, so I don't know, I don't care if it looks, if the one doesn't appear there. I'm liking the flowers. I haven't used these ones in a while. I think I used a little bit of them. I want to use like maybe this washi strip here. It's really thin, so it goes like really in between the two days. let's find. Maybe I can find another one for somewhere else. Like maybe on Sunday. We end on the orange. That's late here. Like the last color is the orange. But it was crooked, so I'm sorry. Okay, now let's. Oh, again, I'm crooked. It's crooked. It's like a little bit. Okay, there. Okay, I like it. I think I need some flour there, but the same ones I've been using. No. I think I will use this one. And maybe this one. Like 2 flowers here. And then I can cut this one up here. There. There we go. Now I'm going to write afterwards. I'm going to write what I need to do, and that's my planner spread. This is my big dashboard. I loved when I went big for the dashboard layout. I can tell you it's amazing. I might add, let me see, I wanted to add, and I can't find them. Like, you usually find them everywhere in most of the books, like the little like flaggy things. Let's see if I can find it, if it's in colorful boxes. No. Ooh, the pastels book. This one, Die Hard stickers. Here. They are usually here. Am I wrong? I am probably wrong. They're not here. Ooh, they're pretty washy here. Okay, well, we'll have to do with hearts. I like it better. I'm going to use hearts. And maybe next time I'll use the little flag things I was telling you about. I'll have them ready beforehand. So you don't have to go look them for me with me, because I know I like when I was going through all the books, well, not all the books, I knew I wanted to do the flower spread, but when I was going through some books, I saw them like not too long ago and now I cannot find them. And well, we're just gonna have to do without this time. But I like having the hearts here, like bullet points. So this one. Ooh, and the yellow one. No, I have that and this one. Okay. let's have this one that's kind of like a violet violet pink, which I think it's the same one. Well, such is life. They look nice. I like them. And as I have been always telling you, it's your planner. You always need to trust yourself in what you're doing, and if you don't like how it looks, well, there's always next week. See? There's always next week, and you can do it next week if you don't like it. So that's it for all that we have. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to continue watching what I do, you can check out the description box where all my social media is, and don't forget to hit the like button and the bell and subscribe. The bell is to let you know that whenever I upload some videos. Well, thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.